Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share my current stock portfolio. So I will share how I have diversified my stock portfolio and what's my future plan regarding to my stock investment journey. So without further delay, let's get started. I'm currently in Canada, and in Canada, Wealthsimple application is very popular for stock investment. So I'm using Wealthsimple. So I have already logged into my Wealthsimple account, and here you can see I have invested almost like 53K so far. And there are multiple sections of my stock portfolio. The first one is the TFSA. TFSA stands for tax-free savings account. The best part about TFSA is that the gains that you're going to make under this specific account, you don't have to pay any sort of taxes. So this is a great a place where you can invest for a longer term and you don't have to pay any taxes. The second part of my stock portfolio is this non-registered, so we can also call it a personal account. And the third portion is a few crypto. Let's dive into the TFS account. So for every account, I do have one Canadian section and one US section. So under Canadian section, I have purchased few shares, and all time I am 9% high. That means I have gained $1,374. That is nice. And for US section, I have gained almost $1,569. That means 17% return. This is way better than just putting the money in the savings account in bank, because you won't get any interest. Even if you get it, it's very minimal, and the inflation is rising. So that means you're pretty much like losing the value of your money. So that's for that reason I have started investing and planning to do it for a very very long time. Now let's move to the non-registered accounts. Under non-registered account, in cat section, I have gained 4%, that is $267, and under USD I have gained $1,480, 21% return. That is really good. Under the crypto portfolio, I am mainly holding two specific cryptos. One is Bitcoin, that is BTC. I have $1,833 out of Bitcoin, and it's up by 18%. And the second one is Ethereum. Ethereum is up by 9.58%. That means $124 gain. I'm gonna hold it for a long, long time. You can see I do have some cryptos that are smaller amount, but I mainly focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So before starting investing, I have done my research. So I was also a beginner. I was trying to know stock much better way, like how to start investing, because I heard from my friends many tried in the stock market, and after few months they just gave up because they face a lot of losses because they don't have a proper strategy. So for that reason I was very concerned. First I tried to learn. So for learning I have gone through many books, many YouTube videos, and from there I gathered the knowledge that is required to invest. So in investment, we have to think about long term. So that's my strategy. And also Warren Buffett said that don't put all of your eggs in a single bucket. This is the best advice for any sort of investing. So for that reason, what I did, if we see my TFS account under CAD, I have purchased VFV. VFV stand for Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, and this is like it's tracking the top 500 companies in US stock market. So it's a ETF, and I have invested almost $5,000 in here. And I'm planning to increase these VFP shares, and I'm gonna invest almost $10,000 under VFV, because if we see the market trend for a long period of time, this ETF will go up and up because it's tracking the top 500 of US market. And in the past 30 years, in overall, it has given almost like 10% return. I think that is great, and I'm gonna add more and more in this. And this is very good for the compound interest. And the second thing that I am trying to focus more is that VDY. VDY stands for Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield. So if I click this one here under the yield section, you can see that the dividend is 4.51. That is massive. So I'm planning to invest $10,000 under this VDY. It tracks the top paying dividend stocks in Canadian market. So I'm gonna buy more shares here so that I can get good dividend, and all the dividends that I'll get, I'll reinvest. You can say that these ETF are kind of like the safety net for me. And Warren Buffett also mentioned that just buy those stocks that you are familiar with. So just you have to know the market, the company that you are investing on. So I am from IT background. I do have more than 8 years of experience in IT, specifically in cloud computing. For that reason, my portfolio is mainly IT centric. Most of the stocks that I have in here are from top IT companies. Like if I open this one and US section, here you can say I got Apple, I got Amazon, I got Google, I got Meta, I got Nvidia, Tesla, because I know that this industry, in this IT industry, these are the leaders, and I can see for sure in future the company base is so strong it's gonna go up and up. Likewise, my suggestion to you would be please invest in your familiar field, because you can judge better. You are not just randomly selecting stocks. My third strategy is that first I'm gonna max out my TFSA, because on a TFSA I don't have to pay any interest. So currently I am almost maxed out for the TFSA. So for that reason, I'm using my non-registered account. Every year in Canada, we get almost like $6,000 of room under TFSA. I'm gonna definitely use it wisely. And under TFSA, I will buy the high growth stocks that I think in 10 years it's gonna go up a lot, and all the gains I can keep under the TFS account. So when I sell it after a very long time, I can get all the money, so I don't have to pay taxes for my gains. So that's the strategy. And once the TFS max out, then I will go for the non-registered account, means the personal account. For the crypto section, my strategy is like I will allocate 10% of my total wealth into crypto. I know crypto is very volatile, it's very unpredictable, but it also grows way more compared to stocks. And if you got lucky, then think about Bitcoin. In 2013, in 2014, the Bitcoin was below $1, but now it's more than 20K. So just think about it. So for that reason, I'm gonna allocate at least 10% of my total portfolio into the crypto market. And when I'm talking about crypto, mainly I am referring to Bitcoin and Ethereum, because these two are the industry leader, and for that reason I trust these two. And I'll also invest a little amount in here and there, but my main focus would be these two. That's a quick update of my stock portfolio, and I'm planning to invest more and more. And the reason is very simple. Just think about it. So suppose every month you are getting your salary, or you are getting some money from your business or some extra work. So if you just put the money in your bank account, what's gonna happen? Your money gonna lose value because of the inflation, and pretty much you are ruining your money. But instead, if you invest your money, then your money will grow. So there is a very famous quote that is, if you don't make your money work for you, you won't get rich. Never. So just try to keep in mind, try to be a very responsible person in terms of handling money. uh, and I'm sure once you start investing, I know it's a scary thing to start investing because you need to learn a lot of stuff, but you have to in this current world. You have to be financially literate, you have to know how to invest, you need to know how to manage your own money. Because if you don't do it, you just put your money in your bank account, your money is almost like useless. Just uh, start, and you will learn in the process. I also did the same way. Still I'm learning. I'm not saying like I'm the expert and I have cracked everything and I can be an invisible in stock market. It's not the goal. The goal is to actually learn and use your knowledge to actually make wise decision. If you guys have any question or concerns related to any stocks or any sort of suggestion that maybe you know better than me, please let me know under this comment section, and I guarantee that I'm gonna reply you back. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. It means a lot to me because you are investing your time and energy to watch my videos, and I try my best to provide some sort of value through my video. I want to build a community where everybody will help each other, and in this way we'll grow together. Please like and subscribe to my channel for seeing this sort of video in future, because I'm planning to upload regular basis. And that's all for today, and thank you again for watching my video.